Hey, is the dot on this blinking? Red dot?
Yeah!
Yeah. Okay. I put it on safety. Go down. Hey, someone lost their flag. Oh, that's me. Smells like dog shit. Whatever this is. Is this the alley? Yeah. The guy down there.
How many do you think? 3? Maybe 5?
They're moving up to the alley.
Any action?
They're going the alley. Alley. They moved up to the alley. Straight that way. Straight that way. Take over. Watch that alley.
They're coming down the alley. They're coming up the alley.
You got your GoPro?
Yeah.
Go.
I was supposed to email some dude.
Okay.
Hey, are those guys on the bus on our team or not? They are.
Yeah. Okay. They're shooting that way. Hey, by the way, they are hitting. Yeah. So,
Hey, there's a guy right there.
there he is. Shoot. Get him down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Who's
Stay
it?
down.
Who's
Stay
it?
down.
Where?
Stay down and that way. I saw. Clear.
That was way too high.
I don't see him. Oh, I see him.
It's like you're gonna freaking knee his face.
Okay. He's not coming. I saw.
Oh shit, those babies were coming close. Oh, hello.
Stay down. You hit?
No, I didn't get hit. I watched the baby girl though.
Where'd the camera go?
Is that guy out? Is that guy out?
He's a teammate, but he's out. Oh, just through the yard.
Oh.
Over there, you see him? Shoot him! You got him!
You guys got him?
2 more! Straight over there, straight over there! Over there, down that white wall! Whoa!
Where?
You see him? His gun is sticking right there. You hit?
Move. I got a better
Sit
hop.
down. Hey, you guys is right. You're on the other side. We see hit.
Yeah, I haven't got hit yet. I got 2 guys out already. Move over here. There's so much area. Just got another guy.
Sure, the people over here. They're right behind there.
I can't see him from here. I was tempted to move up. Okay, look, closest I've gotten was a ricochet. Someone hitting me. You're gonna see some heads. Oh shit, I thought that was a kid.
No.
Someone's definitely shooting at us.
There's people over by there. Hey, get down. There's people in
Hey, there's an enemy right there.
They're inside that barn. You can get inside.
Is he friendly?
Who?
No? Okay, there's a guy right behind that plyo. Guys. Okay, if you move up and go look straight this way, there's a guy right over there. He's right there. He's pointing, he's shooting at that guy. He won't see you. He's right here. You see his barrel? He's enemy.
He's gone.
No. Where's he? He's dead.
That guy to the left. I'd scoot up. We can scoot up for sure.
This guy.
He's on the edge right here.
I just got him.
You did?
I got one guy. Freaking hit him in the head.
Here, heads up. I'm gonna look at it now.
I swear. There's no way that missed his head.
We got a friendly sitting in right here.
Okay, well, here, come here. You see this board right there? That board? There's 2 enemies right there.
The board closest to us?
That one.
I can't see where you're shooting.
Straight right there.
Oh, in the maze?
Yeah. That's enemy.
There was somebody sitting in the corner right here, but they said they were friendly.
No, because I just asked the rest if they were friendly. He said no.
See, look at these four right here.
They said they were friendly, right?
Freaking shoot him. Don't take chances. Yeah. No, I asked the ref. The ref said they were enemy.
Oh yeah. You see
Hey! Do you see him? Guys. Hey, are you 2 out?
No.
Okay.
Those guys are still in there.
That one guy saw me.
They can't shoot us.
Wait, he told me he was a friendly. I said you
They
God,
can't.
I wish you could use freaking thunder bees here.
They can't shoot us through the cracks. So we're
I
fine.
have 2 thunder bees here. At my
use
homes.
those?
No, you can't use them here. Someone already asked.
We've already used those here before. Yeah, that person did. But I was saying
Alright. My mag pouch is being stupid. It's pissing me off. Yep. Go. You see, it's being retarded. I took it off because the car had this morning.
Yeah, but you have to go around them inside to get to where they're at. You have to go in. We can do it either way. I mean,
Is there an enemy?
you see the guy in there?
Is he enemy?
He's on the far right side. Yeah, I know. We can't get to him.
I swear to God I hit him right in the head. He's still there.
No, those guys are friendly. They're our friendly, dude. Hey, he's got red on. Oh, yeah.
I'm moving up. Let's go.
I don't feel that fast.
No, hey, that guy is on our team. There's other guys up there. There's 2 other kids. Oh, okay. Hey, we got a friendly up there. We got a friendly. Careful. Hey, dude, come with me. I'm going all the way around.
These guys. Hey. There's guys right here.
I need you to come with me. I don't know this place.
Yeah, I know. There's 2 slots. There's one right here. There's a guy in here. The 2 yellow.
Oh,
right here.
shit, that about hit me. Hey, I got extra BBs in my bag. Is it shooting 2 hours right now?
Yeah.
I have a bottle of 2 hours in my bag for people.
Not yet. They're in the truck. We're gonna better walk going the other way.
Ooh.
Here.
What truck? I'm scared to find out.
There's like a Ford or something over there.
Right here.
Oh, that truck. Okay. Dude, I'm thinking about rushing that guy. On 3.
Cover from here.
I'll cover.
There's a kid sitting behind this crate right here.
I can cover. Guys,
They're not gonna hit us when we run them. We're running ahead.
I'll cover.
Okay, ready? Go.
Go, somebody just go.
I don't know the plan again.
I'm just gonna go light this kid up. I just do it. I'll cover you.
Hey, reload your mag fully before you run. Okay, 1 minute. We gotta get this kid.
Ready? Set.
Go.
1.
Go when you're ready. We'll cover you whenever you leave. Go. Cover him. Go. Move up.
I'm hit.
You got me.
Okay, hit.
Where is he?
Anyone inside? Are you guys hit? 30 seconds!